If you're experiencing verification issues on WhatsApp after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Wait for the cooldown period. After several failed verification attempts, WhatsApp may temporarily lock you out. Wait for a cooldown period, typically around 24 hours before trying again. This helps to prevent abuse and allows the system to reset. Step 2. Check your phone number. Ensure that you are entering the correct phone number, including the country code. Double check for any typos or incorrect digits that could lead to verification failures. Step 3. Use the call option. If you are not receiving the SMS verification code, select the option to receive a verification call instead. This can sometimes bypass issues with SMS delivery and provide you with the code directly. Step 4. Update WhatsApp. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to your device's App Store and check for any available updates. An outdated version may cause issues with the verification process. Step 5. Contact WhatsApp support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on WhatsApp and regain access to your account. If problems persist, patience and support from WhatsApp may be necessary.